Okay, guys, let's have a look at page 12 now. We're on question 8. So we're making some good progress here. Two friends, Kim and Terry, are planning a camping holiday. A, the floor of their tent can be thought of as a rectangle. So I'm going to just draw it in straight away here. Just draw a rectangle. That's the floor plan, isn't it? Alright, so there it is there. Probably not drawn to scale, of course. The tent has a ground area of 5.12 meters squared. Okay, that's fine. And that's the area. The length of the tent is twice as long as the width. So if we say that's the width, and the length, let's say this is the length then, shall we? Is twice as long as the width. So if the width was x, the length is twice as long, so that would be 2x. We don't know what those proportions are, but we know that this is double that. So if that's x, this is twice x. Agree? So let's put that in because that's an unknown. So we've done that. Calculate the length and width of the floor of the tent. So here we go. So the area is 2x times x. So the area is 2x times x. I'll put a dot to denote times. 2x times x equals the total area, 5.12 meters squared. So that's 2x squared equals 5.12. Right, it's just an equation in x then, which we can need to solve. So let's move the 2 from times to divide. So leave the x squared where it is, leave the 5.12 where it is, and move the 2 from times on one side to divide on the other. Tap that in a calculator first. So 5.12 divided by 2 equals 5.12 divided by 2. So you get the decimal 2.56. Agreed? So there's x squared. Now to undo a square, you square root. I'm not going to go into that into detail, but to undo a square, you square root. So square root both sides. So I can write square root both sides. Square root of a square is just what the object was, which is x. And we need to work out the square root of 2.56. As I say, I'm not going to... So it's cancel. Square root, I use this and put 2.56 inside, yeah? Just press equals. And what do we get? 1.6. That's nice. And that would be meters, wouldn't it? Agreed? So that would be the x value. This one would be 1.6 meters, and the 2x would equal 3.2. Oops, that's a bit of a mistake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cheat, of course, and I'm going to move all that because I don't like to put it in the margin there. I'll move it over to there. Okay, so this is 3.2. Right, so with those thoughts in mind then, so the length and the width. So let's get it the right way around. The length of the tent is twice as long as the width. So the length is the longer one, and we said it was 3.2. So that's 3.2 meters. And the width was the x value, which was 1.6 meters. There we go. That's it. And that would give a floor area of 5.12. So let's just double check that at the end. So length times width, 3.2 times 1.6 should equal 5.12. There we are, 5.12. So we're fairly optimistic then. We've just double checked it as we've gone along. So at the end of the test, if we were double checking things, that wouldn't be our top priority, would it? There's 8A. Good, that's that part of the question done then. Page done. That's page 12 done. So let's move on to the next page.